If you want to make a grid like this in SDL3, stick around, I'll show you how. So in SDL3 or in graphics program in general, we basically have a coordinate, a 2D coordinate. And this coordinate, the starting point, the coordinate is right here. And what we want to do is we want to have a row that starts here that goes to the end of the window. And then we're just gonna like do a line there. Then we're gonna have a column that starts from here and goes to the end of the window. That's how our grid is gonna work. So I like to initialize SDL window like this because you can just create the window right here in the if statement, as well as handle an error if the created window failed. Oh shit, I forgot to make it its running function. There we go. Now we got our window. Make it be void grid. Taking render. Well, we first gotta specify what we want the size of each square to be inside the grid. Let's do something like int square size 24. Now we make a for loop to iterate on the line y. So we want it to start at 0. No line y. So we're going down until we reach the window height. And then we increment each line by square size. Yes. Oh, well, the y-axis by square size. Yes. I'm gonna make it be white. Rect. We have the render and the rect we want to render. And after we cleared the window, we draw the grid. So we have app render. Look at that. Works perfectly. But you can notice that there's a few little lines not working out there. So the reason why is because 140 divided by 24. You can see it doesn't give us like an even number. So if we do something like 648 divided by 24, look at that. That's perfect. That's not even number, a whole number. So now we get 648. And then now, look at that, our grid looks much better. With the column, we do the same thing, but just the opposite. The width is 0, and the height is gonna be the window height. And we're gonna like move the x position until it's window width at x plus equal square size. And then we do render rect column line. There you go. We have our grid. So that's how you make a grid in SDL3.